Hey guys, this is Donnell from FSR, and today we're going to be talking about FSR's new product, the Wiring Star. As our office environments become increasingly cluttered with electronic equipment, cable management becomes a real headache. Our brand new wiring solution makes sorting cables quick and neat with a dual coil design and a variety of attachment points. You can wrap multiple cables in their own path, reducing cross-cable interference. Installation is also simple with an easy 3-step process. You'll have cables orderly in no time. First, install wood screws in all 4 corners. Next, wrap inner cable. Secure inner cable with cable tie. Next, wrap outer cable. After wrapping outer cable, use cable tie to secure cable. The Wiring Star can be installed in a variety of places, such as conference rooms, desks, podiums, FSR's huddle view table, and anywhere cable management is needed. To learn more about how the Wiring Star can help prevent your cables from being damaged and provide tangle-free cable management, visit our website at www.fsrinc.com. Make sure to subscribe for future FSR news and new products.